Welcome back, you guys. Thought we should end the night with a little bit of unboxing. I've already opened the box, so yeah. So let's see what's in this little sucker. Let's grab this stuff out of here, and give me 1 second, you guys. I have to fix my microphone. Okay, and we're back. Okay, let's see what's in here. Half of the stuff that's already in here already came in the box. I just threw a little thing in here, but we'll save that for last. Okay, so let's see what's in here. A bit of ASMR. And what could it be? It's the McDonald's mini cell phone. So this is definitely not Barbie sized. I'd say it's around like American Girl, Our Generation, smart doll sized. That oops. I'm such a klutz. Sorry about that, you guys. I'm a little bit clumsy, and the screen on my tablet just went off. Yeah, so, sorry about that. And, here's what the phone screen looks like. Looks like a real miniature phone, and it's so cute. And there's the back of it. You could hook it up on, like, a refrigerator or whatever. And no, I didn't get permanent marker on my Band-Aid. It's, hair dyes. Yeah, I dyed my hair in, real life, you guys. And no, I'm not doing a face reveal, so don't get any ideas. That's not happening. The closest you'll get to a face reveal is my mini-me Barbie doll. I got, like, really bad, like, anxiety when people shove cameras in my face, and I did not want to have a panic attack, because, yeah, that's not gonna be a good thing for me, you guys, so just throwing that out there, that I have terrible anxiety when on camera, and when I have to get up in front of a large room of people and, like, talk in front of everybody, I freeze up, and, yeah, I want to hide underneath a table or something, or just book out of the room as quick as possible. Alright, well, enough rambling on about me having anxiety, and, for those of you that have anxiety disorders, like me, like PTSD, which stands for post-traumatic stress disorder, shout out to you. I'm right there with you guys. You ain't the only one. Okay, so if you guys are wondering what the phone looks like outside of the case, here it is. Here's the back of it. Here's the case. Front. Yes, it's just plastic. And it snaps right back in. Just like that. Okay, now let's move on. Okay. What else we got in here? Okay. And a couple weeks ago with my dad, I went to McDonald's and got some lunch. I got the $5 meal deal. I got the chicken sandwich, and some chicken nuggets and some fries, and a cup of Coke to drink. Just regular Coke. No, not diet. I can't drink diet soda because I get pounding migraine headaches if I do, because is it like the saccharin sugar in it? The same thing happened to my mom. But my mom is no longer with us. She passed last year, and the reason is personal family information. enough rambling on about my family and stuff, so just a few fun facts about my family. Rest in peace, Mom. Well, here's what the little, like, menus or, like, the, like, collector's guide looks like. Here's the front. Here's the back, and, here is a barcode in case you guys want to, like, scan to play a game. Bring it closer if I can. I think that's about as close as I could get it to the camera without it going fuzzy. Okay. It's front and the back there, and here's what the collector's guide looks like. And a Happy Meal and hamburger, Happy Meal and apple slices, kids fries, Happy Meal and milk jug, 4-piece chicken McNuggets, a boo bucket. I kind of want that one, to be honest with you, the boo bucket. I loved collecting those things when I was a lot younger, and I kind of still do. In a way, they're just so cute. I mean, look at that adorable little pumpkin face. I mean, tell me that's not adorable. There's a toy display there, a Happy Meal box. That's kind of cute. We could probably recreate something similar to that. And then, play place. I don't know if I'll be able to recreate that. The, gold Happy Meal box. That's a maybe. And I gotta see how much, paperboard and cardboard, or even, like, foam board or something I have, and, find, like, gold, like, metallic gold, paper, or, like, paint or something, or even, like, a paint marker would work, maybe. This, the burger grill, the fryer, drink dispenser, booth, drive-through, register, phone, which is what I got. The, self-ordering kiosk, McDonald's sign, McDonald's restaurant, and the delivery truck. It would honestly be super cute to get any of these, really. I mean, look at these. Literally, look at these between this page and that one. I mean, tell me these aren't cute and they're not just crying out the words, recreate a miniature McDonald's for your dolls. And one day, you guys might see me make one here on the channel. If not this channel, my main one, Amethyst Wolf Crafts and Music Studio, you'll probably see me recreate something similar in the future on my second channel, Moonwolf Dolls and Crafts. So yeah, you guys might see me recreate something similar in the future. Comment below if you guys want to see me recreate the McDonald's restaurant in miniature. Speaking of miniatures, here's the last little surprise here inside the box. Oh, I forgot to mention there's also some stickers here that you guys could use to customize the phone case with. There's the McDonald's logo, the McDonald's sign, the Happy Meal box, the McDonald's smiley face, and McDonald's fries. It says customize your phone case, and I cannot read the. Oh, actually, it kind of says 2025 McDonald's, printed in China, if you guys are wondering where it came from. So here's the instructions on the back. Customize a phone case, and yeah, here's the instructions. And we save the best out for last. And here she is. my god, look how adorable she is. It's the little Tinkerbell doll from Disney's Peter Pan. I'm more so of a fan of the Disney Fairies Tinkerbell movies than I am of Peter Pan. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love all Disney movies and stuff, but I'm not the huge fan of like certain ones. I'm not really a hugest fan of like certain Pixar movies either. I mean, I just find them kind of like boring a little bit, to be honest. I mean, do not bash me though. I am a huge Disney fan. I mean, I could probably tell you the name of like every single like Disney princess movie that there's ever been made, from like the 1950s all the way up to now, and such. But yeah, that's Tinkerbell. Here, it's a close-up of her. I don't know why my camera will not focus. You can literally see like all the details in her dress. I mean, Zuru does like a really good job with these. I'm surprised. So you see in the front of the box, there's the top, there's the bottom, there's the side. I don't know if you guys can see that too good. There's the side, there's the back, there's the back, some little miniature barcode at the bottom. I mean, how cute is that? And there she is on the side of the box. It's the Disney logo. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think of all the minis here that I've shown, and along with like the McDonald's phone and stuff, and the collector's guide and everything, and comment what you guys think, and also comment what was your favorite miniature that I shown here in the video, and your favorite like menu item from McDonald's. I can try to recreate your preferred like food choice from McDonald's in miniature. And what your favorite like Disney series collection or like minifigure thing is from Zuru. Zuru makes other like miniature characters, and I'll show you guys what I mean. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Be right back. And we're back. This is what I mean. See? It's the Animators collection from the Disney Store series. It's Mulan. It's a picture of her dog here on the front. If you guys don't know the name of Mulan's dog from the animated movie, it's Little Brother. That's the name of her dog, Little Brother. If you guys haven't seen the animated Mulan in a while, that's from the animated collectors series. There got quite a few of these in real life, and like life size. Like the dolls and stuff is what I meant to say. It's the front of the box. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. Here's the back. I am not able to read what it says on the back, so I am not even going to try, but it's a picture of Mulan. There's the barcode and all the other like jazz and stuff out in the back. It's a close-up of her. And there's this side, and there's the doll again. So yeah. So, see what I mean? it's not the only one that of like Disney characters that Zuru has made. They make stuff. They make ones like these and the Animators collection. So yeah, so just comment below which is your favorite thing that I've shown here in the video, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a great night or a great day, depending on like what time zone you guys are in, because I know there's like 50 million like different time zones like throughout the world. So for me, it's almost midnight here where I live here in the United States. So good night to everyone here in the United States, and good morning to those of you that are on the complete opposite side of the world. So I think I'll close out, and yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your night or morning or whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next video and the next short. Bye.